Do you want to make thousands of dollars every single day like so many TikTok creators do with the TikTok creativity program, but you're haunted by the low RPM of 20 cents? Well, in this video I'll show you a 3-step strategy and the best way to implement it in order to get at least $1 RPM, and some of you may even reach $2. And before you say anything, no, it's not just create high quality content, this strategy actually works. So let me show you. So step number 1 is the authenticity of the content. What I mean by that is, do you make videos to engage with the viewers or make videos to just get views? And of course you've heard that you should not repost content but make original content. But if you have a repost page, I have a hack for you that will help, guaranteed. You can make reposted content look original to the TikTok algorithm. First of all, download the videos you want to repost with snaptik.app. Now take that video and put it to CapCut. And in there I want you to add some effects, maybe some subtitles if they are necessary, or a title above. And after you make those changes, I want you to export the video with a different file name. Now this piece of content is an original piece of content in the eyes of the TikTok's algorithm, which will help you increase the RPM. Now step number 2 is the retention rate. So according to TikTok, a qualified view to get money is 5 seconds. So it's only natural to get paid less if you make content that just reaches the bare minimum. So what I would recommend is to keep the viewer engaged as long as possible. And the best way I've found is called layering strategy. Basically, you want to create one video with multiple layers, like an onion. Imagine that your video is a character. The main video idea is the main journey of the character. Now the layers are basically the side quests of this character. They're entertaining, they keep you engaged, but they're not the main part of this journey. And this is layering. I've done it by making intentional mistakes. Many creators do this. Intentional mistakes in your subtitles, in your title. And when using my green screen, I used to use pictures while telling a story, and I intentionally chose pictures that would make someone comment about them. So this way I added another layer to the video. A great example is a video I saw on YouTube which was about medieval times, but the video title was A Time Traveler's Guide to the Medieval Times. It added another story on top of the story. So layering can work also as some kind of disguise for the main video idea. But make sure you watch until the end, because I have a secret little strategy for you that will help you make real money on TikTok. Step number 3 is create videos on the right topics and niches. What I mean by that is, TikTok, like YouTube, it's paying differently based on the niche the video is in. When advertisers pay TikTok, they expect the best results. So an advertiser who wants to reach audiences that are interested in finance will obviously have to pay more than somebody who wants to advertise their mobile game to 8-year-olds. So here's how you can find niches, topics and video ideas that are paying more. You should use Google Keyword Planner. Go to Google Keyword Planner and type a keyword or a search term that is related to your niche or to the video you want to make. And then you should look at the bids. The higher the bid, the more money you will most likely make. And there will also be a list of similar keywords and search terms which will help you come up with even more video ideas that will actually pay more. So grab a few of those video ideas, experiment a little bit and see what makes you the most money, and then double down on that specific subtopic. So now let me tell you what is the best way to use all this information and make some real money. Let's see. So if you want to make real money on TikTok, create a page that focuses on podcast clips, but find podcasts that are in high-paying niches like finance, business, maybe even beauty. Edit those clips using a free software like CapCut in a fast-paced way using effects, subtitles, a bit of shake, a little bit of particles. Make sure that every 2 seconds something is happening on the screen, and now you have a money printing machine that takes you only 1 hour per day to manage, and probably even less. And why will that make you real money? Because it's original content. The viewers are not 15-year-old Fortnite players, but instead they're people who want to take serious decisions, want to get informed and educated. So it's only natural for advertisers to pay even more, because that will allow them to make more money and eventually for you to make even more. So this is the strategy, and I've seen it happening a lot lately. So you have time to hop on this train, because I haven't seen anybody talking about specifically high-paying niches podcasts. Everybody makes gaming, fun and entertaining podcasts, but how many make videos on finance podcasts? Think about it. And now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next to learn a monetization strategy that will 10x your income. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.